Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss William Wordsworth biography. So let's start the video. William Wordsworth, a great romantic poet, was born on April 7, 1770 in Cockermouth, Cumberland, England. His mother died when Wordsworth was 7 years old, and his father died when he was 13 years old. He got his early education from Hocksheet Grammar School. He started his poetry when he was a student in Hocksheet Grammar School. After this school, he went to Cambridge University and did his graduation in 1791. When he was a student in Cambridge University, he had visited France in 1790. It was the age of French Revolution. In France, he met Annette Wellen. He fell in love with her. They separated in 1793 because of the war between England and France. Wordsworth met Samuel Taylor Coleridge. They worked on lyrical ballads and published it in 1798. In lyrical ballads, they published poems. In 1798, he started to write a large and philosophical poem. In 1802, he married Mary Hutchinson. In 1805, he finished his masterpiece, The Prelude, a long autobiographical poem. It was published in 1850. It describes the crucial experience of the poet's life. He became famous. In 1843, he was given the title of the Poet Laureate in recognition of his contribution to English literature. In the last years of his life, Wordsworth became more conservative in his political views. He abandoned the radical politics and idealism of his youth. At last, he died in 1850 at the age of 80. So it was all about the important points of William Wordsworth's life and some of his poetical works. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.